Hey everybody, this is Reverend Kit Holmes. It is Wednesday, December 17th, 2025. It is time for One Mind Wednesday. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, the light. We are in the season of light. There's a lot of light things happening in our universe right now, in our solar system, on our planet, and within ourselves. If you're not familiar with that yet, just going to remind you a little bit that you have a light within. And thank you for those of you who continue to shine, even though lots of things look dark and disturbing and violent, cruel, all of the things. I don't need to tell you. My point with all of this today is there's a few things happening this week alone. In our solar system, there is the 3-eye atlas, that cool comet that has been recently discovered, and it will make its closest pass by Earth just a couple of days from now, actually on Friday the 19th. And from what I'm reading, not visible with the naked eye, but if you know where to point a telescope, you can see it. And I'm sure that the internet will be covered with pictures, and I can't wait to see them. We also have a new moon, and we're also coming up on the solstice this coming Sunday, the winter solstice for the Northern Hemisphere, the return to the light. So energetically, there's a lot of returning to the light. There's a lot of indicators saying the light has never gone out. The light doesn't go out. And as I put in the description of this post, even in the darkest dark of dark, the smallest candle will bring light. Or your phone screen, or an LED on some electronic device in your bedroom, or on your smoke detector, or whatever it might be. You know how the tiniest of light will draw our attention away from the darkness. That's my point today. The smallest of lights will draw our attention away from the darkness. And that is my encouragement as we move into this, just the next moment, the next day, the next night. The sun, over millennia, as we know, has always risen after a dark night. It happens every 24 hours. So wherever you might be, or wherever there seems to be or feels heaviness and darkness in your life. Maybe it's how you view the world, or how the view of the world is being foisted upon us as a dark place. I can assure you, and I will remind you, that it is not. Because there is more light and more love and more good coming out of everything these days. Even the most places that trigger our deepest grief. We are buoyed, we are supported, we are held up by the light of love. I know this to be so from my own experience. As long as I keep focusing on the light, there is more light coming into my life. And so I encourage you to find some way to focus on the light, to focus on the wonder and the blessing and the gift of the light. Whatever that is for you, keep focusing on the light, and particularly the light of love. All right, that's all I got for you today. That's all I know. Keep being the light. Keep being the light of love. All right, this is Reverend Kit Holmes for One Mind Wednesday. Thank you for being the light. Thank you for being here, sharing the light that I hope that I am bringing into the world. Thank you for doing that. And remember, we are all a part of the one mind, that one collective consciousness, that one collective heart. We are indeed deeply, inseparably connected from Source and from each other. So, we're all in this together. Kindness matters. Love is indeed the only answer. I love all of you very, very dearly, and I will see you again next Wednesday, right back here on One Mind Wednesday. Take care. Go easy. Breathe deeply. Seek the light. All right.